Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia and today is a special video because I am announcing something I've been working on for a while. We have 4 beautiful new holiday designs in our merch line. This is one of them. They are all inspired by vintage skating posters from the 1940s and 50s, those beautiful old Ice Capades advertisement posters. So I have 4 different designs with that vintage feel. While these designs were inspired by different photos and artwork, each one was drawn by myself just for you guys. I hope you love them as much as I do. So for our first design, it's based on a photo taken of myself when I was a show skater 20 years ago. And here it is. It is in one of my very favorite costumes ever. It's this beautiful, furry, romantic, white velvet costume. So this is that finished piece of artwork. It comes on all kinds of items, sweatshirts, t-shirts, bags, mugs, stickers, and so much more. But I do recommend that you select an item with a darker background to really make this design pop. For this next design, we have a beautiful vintage mother-daughter team out there on the ice. At our rink, we have so many mothers and daughters who skate out here together, and I just love that idea. I don't have a daughter myself, but if I did, I definitely want to come out here and skate with her. So this design is for all those mothers and daughters or aunties and nieces out there skating together. In this pretty design, the girl grins with happiness while her mother gives her a loving smirk. This design comes on so many fun items in lots of colors, and it would look nice on items with both a lighter background or a dark background, whichever you prefer. Now we have this handsome man in his Christmas sweater. He is doing a stag jump, which was a jump that was really popular a long time ago. In fact, the stag jump used to be a move that skaters trained just as hard as we now train our multi-rotation jumps. So for this vintage-inspired print, we have a handsome dapper man in a Christmas sweater flying through the air in a stellar stag jump. Make sure you check out all the fun different options that you can get this print on in the shop. Now for our 4th and final design. This lovely lady is out here skating in her fur-trimmed green jacket. I just love this one. This one is a 1930s style design with her beautiful finger curl waves. I love this design. I think I want it on every single thing we have. I want it in a sweatshirt. I want it on a water bottle. Of course, I already got the sticker. For this design on a light background, the colors really pop. But with a dark background, you get to see those pretty snowflakes she's skating under. I hope you guys like this design as much as I do. So these 4 beautiful vintage Christmassy designs are live right now in my shop. All right, so you can get to that shop here on my YouTube channel. Just click on the store tab on my home page here on YouTube, or follow the link in the description down below to be taken to the full shop. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up, and I can't wait to hear what you think of these 4 designs in that comment section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time.